If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Compass High Altitude in white clear coat. With bi-XENON HID headlamps, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, 19-inch aluminum wheels, black daylight opening moldings, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 17,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, select terrain system, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5711.